imagine that you wake up tomorrow and then you get to find out that the government now dictates what you can say or what you cannot say on the social media platform. Now, the debate for regulating the freedom of speech on social media in Nigeria has been ongoing for a while now. You know, the lawmakers, a lot of celebrities have come out to say that social media should be regulated. Now, of recent, Nollywood actor Damilola Ogunsi has said that the social media space is causing more harm than good. A lot of fake news have been circulated, blogs carrying fake news, and people's opinions are being shaped by what they see, what they read on social media. He's of the opinion that this should be regulated. I mean, he gave example with Dubai and other countries that regulate their social media activities. You know, what should be said, what can be said, when and how it can be said. So do you think this is something that should be accepted? Do you think it's something that you would accept in Nigeria, or do you think that they should even take this out? This is not supposed to be a thought that should be crossing their mind. What do you think of this? Kindly share your opinion. We'd love to hear what you have to say about this. And please click, comment, like, and subscribe. And my name is Augustina with the News Chronicle.